We had a vision, we had a plan, we knew what we could do. Let me show you the finished product. This nitrous setup too is just the icing on the cake. I mean, it is such a cool looking engine bay. And we still have all the proportions right in the car. I mean, come on. This is the best thing. This is the best thing we've ever built. It steers great. We build one of one cars to bring to these shows to show you guys what we can do. It took a lot of hours to do it, but I am super proud that we got here.
No, 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 no.
Put in those long hours, but it is so worth it. I can't wait to see what you guys think. Leave a comment. Let me know how you like the build.